Today, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from your Crypto.com app to an external wallet safely, quickly, and with just a few taps. Start by opening the Crypto.com app on your phone. On the home screen, tap the Accounts tab at the bottom. From here, choose Crypto Wallet to see your available coins. Select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum. Once you're on that coins page, tap Transfer, then choose Withdraw. Now you will see two options: withdraw to Crypto.com app users or withdraw to external wallet. For this, choose external wallet. If it's your first time, you'll need to add a new wallet address. Tap the plus icon, paste your external wallet address, and make sure it matches exactly. Even one wrong character could mean losing your funds forever, so always double check. Give the wallet a label like MyLedger or Trust Wallet, then save it. Once your wallet address is added, select it from the list, enter the amount of crypto you want to send, and tap Withdraw. The app will show you a network fee and the total amount being sent. Review carefully, then confirm. You'll be asked to enter your passcode or confirm with biometric authentication. After that, the transfer is submitted and you'll see it marked as pending. Depending on the blockchain, it can take a few minutes to an hour to complete. Once confirmed, the crypto will appear in your external wallet. And that's it, you've successfully sent crypto from Crypto.com to your own wallet. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another quick tutorial.